Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're taking a look at the Tru-Fit BedGuard Premium Carpet Kit for the 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. This soft padded carpet kit adds an extra layer of comfort when you're crawling into the bed of your Gladiator, maybe access items you have stashed up closer to the cab. It also adds an additional layer of protection to not only the bed of your truck, but the items that you're hauling, whether that be tools, camping equipment, furniture, anything that you're hauling here in the back of your Gladiator. The Tru-Fit Carpet Kit is a great addition if you've already got a tonneau cover or a truck bed cap protecting the bed of your Gladiator. It would also be a great addition if you're utilizing a truck bed tent with your truck. Now, don't let that fool you though. You don't need to have coverage over the bed for the ToughGuard Carpet Kit because it is built from a UV stable, mold and mildew resistant heavy-duty carpet. In fact, when it comes time to clean up your ToughGuard Carpet Kit, you can simply vacuum it out or even hose it off if it's dirty and muddy. If it's really dirty, or if you're just removing it preemptively because you know you're going to be carrying maybe some dirt or mulch in the back of your truck, well, you can simply remove the carpet kit because it's held in place with some hook and loop strips. Now, if your Jeep came from the factory with a bare painted bed like our Gladiator, you'll simply install those strips with the pre-installed adhesive right to the painted surface. If your Gladiator came from the factory with a spray-in bed liner, or if you've installed one after the fact, your kit will also include some adhesion promoter as well as some ultra-thick tape that you'll install first to give you a flat, level surface to install those hook and loop strips. As you can see, the kit includes pre-cut pieces that drop right into your bed perfectly without blocking things like your factory tie-down points, bed lighting, or even that power port if your Gladiator is equipped. The truck bed carpet extends all the way up right to the bottom of your trail rail. If your Jeep's not equipped with the factory trail rail, every kit includes 3 additional pieces of carpet that you'll install along the top to give you complete coverage all the way up to the bed cap of your Gladiator. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a Tru-Fit BedGuard Premium Bed Carpet Kit for your 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT, you can click that info button to head to quadratec.com. If you have any comments or questions about the carpet kit or how to get it installed in your truck, you can always leave this for me down in the comment section below or by simply heading to the website. Of course, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.